I would remember yung Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1. Before yung hall of faith, ang sinabi doon, now faith is the assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of things not seen. Ang pananampalataya po, hindi sinusukat sa kung anong nakikita o anong napanghahawakan. Kasi kung ito ay nakadepende sa kung anong hawak ko ngayon, yung to see is to believe nga, then it is not faith. Kasi ang faith po, may kalakip na hope. Ang hope po, may kalakip na trusting. At ang trusting po, may kalakip na fact. Ano yung fact na yon? That God is in control. So kung ang atin pong logical sense, no, nag-iisip tayo na ito dapat ang step 1, step 2, step 3. Kung ang step 1 nyo si Lord, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5 will not matter. As long as you do the step 1 which is God, He will lead you. He will show the way. At confident ka doon. Bakit? Kasi alam mo, God knows what is best for you.